All right, today we're going to do a simulation of PhET. Simulation, it's called Wave on a String. When you go to PhET, you're going to click Run. And what you're going to get is you're going to get a screen that looks like something. Here we go. So what you can do is you can make a wave with this. And so if you click on this and you can make like one pulse and you can let it go, you can see that you got a fixed end on there. You can stop it and reset it and restart it. You can change some things. You can make it oscillate. And so when something oscillates, it goes back and forth. So you can make kind of a sine wave. Or if you want a pulse, you can that gives you like boom, boom, just like one bump or two bumps. And we can stop that. Then what you can do is you can also change your end. So that's a fixed end, and that's going to give you a certain kind of reflection. You can have a loose end, and so you can do the same thing. So the reflection is going to come back a little differently. Or you can have no end at all, which it goes out the window, and you could like oscillate it and make it go out the window, and it never comes back. And you can see that there's also some things on here that may or may not be interesting. You could have damping, so we can take some of the energy out of the wave or not. You can just adjust the tension. You can see what happens to the velocity and the wavelength. You can change the frequency. You can change the amplitude. You can also measure some things. So you can actually take this, and what you could do is you could freeze it, and you could measure the distance. And you can time things to see how many times something's happening in a second. And you can even have a reference line, so if you wanted to find where the midpoint is. So away you go. You've done these things before. Good luck with it.